Japan's HexaMedia has completed a survey of a live volcano using a drone. The Volcanic survey was sponsored by the Japan Meteorological Agency as part of a larger disaster mitigation program. This article published in collaboration with JUIDA, the Japan UAS Industrial Development Association. HexaMedia investigated a volcanic crater 500 m above sea level. The flight was completed beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, using UgCS for three-dimensional flight route planning and automatic navigation. HexaMedia completed the mission at night, as sunlight affects the surface temperature of active volcanoes. Drone takeoff and landing locations were set up at a safe distance from the volcano, outside the restricted area at the foot of the mountain. For the first time, Mount Asama was flown at an altitude of 2,568 meters, a maximum flight distance of approximately 4,500 meters one way, and a maximum altitude difference of approximately 1,700 meters from the takeoff and landing sites, says HexaMedia. Operators collected videos and infrared images of the interior of the crater of Mt. Asama, an active volcano in central Honshu, on Japan's main island. Japan's meteorological agency hopes that by monitoring geothermal activities and gathering data to better understand the volcano, communities will have more warning before an eruption or dangerous event. HexaMedia will continue to conduct volcanic surveys by drone in order to gather more accurate information.